how to monitor screen time usage in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on apps. Here you will see app, select app that you want to monitor screen time usage. Now scroll down, select app, scroll down, click on screen time. Here you will see weekly view app timer. Now set monitor time. Now click on app timer. Click on app timer name. Write name that you want. Click on add schedule. Set schedule. After select set schedule, click on save. After click on save, monitor screen time usage set from your phone. Now this is how you can monitor screen time usage in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.